This is a compressed archive from Presto software. It is proprietary. You need the original Presto suite to unpack it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's find the software. Consider this your first line of defense. A universal viewer bypasses many common PZH Windows errors. This is my personal favorite utility for this task, and I will be discussing it soon. The technical specification confirms the PZH is a specific instance of a document file. The data serialization is accomplished using Presto zip archive. A PZH file is associated with Presto. Zip, a file compression and archiving utility. PZH files are compressed archives, similar to zip files, containing one or more files and folders that have been compressed to reduce their size. They are used for efficient storage, distribution, and backup of data. Presto. Zip may offer additional features like encryption and password protection. PZH files use a proprietary compression algorithm specific to Presto. Zip. While they serve a similar purpose to zip files, they may not be directly compatible with standard zip utilities. Presto. Zip software is required to create, extract, and manage PZH archives. The compression ratio and features offered may differ from other archive formats. If installed, your preferred program for PZH should be the WinRAR application by Eugene Rauschel. The file is susceptible to corruption when accessed by standard Windows processes. Windows shows only the basics, so tasks like layout or formatting require dedicated tools. We need to check all possibilities. Right-click the PZH file and select Open with. If WinRAR is there, use it. If not, choose a different program. It's often a simple matter of finding the right software hook. If your PZH file will not open yet, do not panic. We need to act fast after that failed attempt. Let's transition immediately into these 3 crucial steps for error isolation. First, use PowerZip. Open the file using the PowerZip archive utility, as this is the native application for this compressed format. Next, use 7-zip alternative. If PowerZip is unavailable, try opening the file using a robust archive utility like 7-zip or WinRAR. Finally, check for corruption. Check for a corresponding back file in the same directory and try restoring the backup copy. When your system cannot open the PZH file, upgrading to the professional decoding tool is required. This specialized software is the key to trying to resolve the issue. Time for the guaranteed solution file magic. It handles any PZH format you throw at it, available now at filemagic.com. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'm already preparing the next fix, and you won't want to miss it. Always double-check your file extensions before opening.